Here's how to apply for a Hayya Tourist Visa in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to complete your application fast so you can visit Qatar without confusion or delays. First, create your Hayya account. Go to the Hayya portal, tap Sign Up, enter your email, set a password, and verify your account through the link sent to your inbox. After logging in, choose the Tourist Visa option on your dashboard to start the application. Next, upload your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months. Take a clear photo or scan of the information page and upload it so the system can read your details correctly. Then upload the passport style photo of yourself with a plain background. If the website asks you to crop or resize it, follow the prompts. Now fill in your personal information exactly as shown on your passport. Enter your nationality, date of birth, and contact details. After that, add your travel details, your arrival date, purpose of visit, and your accommodation. If you booked a hotel, enter its name and address. If you're staying with the host, upload the documents they provided. Once everything is complete, proceed the payment. The fee will appear on your screen and you can pay using a card that supports international transactions. After payment, your application is automatically submitted. Watch your email over the next few days for your visa approval. When your Hayya Tourist Visa is approved, log into your Hayya account and download your digital visa. Save it in your phone or take a screenshot for quick access at the airport. And that's it. Your Hayya Tourist Visa application is done and ready for travel.